Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. Today we are spilling the tea on how to make money on YouTube without lifting a camera. Sounds too good to be true, right? Now let's break it down. Number one is affiliate marketing. Find products in your niche, maybe gadgets, books, courses, share and earn commissions on sales. Example, review a top tech gadget and include your affiliate link. Pro tip, use tools like Amazon Associates or share a sale to find high paying affiliate programs. How it works, you promote a product, someone buys through your link, you get a cut. Simple. Let's say you promote a $100 course and get a 10% commission. That's 10% sale. Do that 100 times and you are making $1,000. Real life example, a travel blogger promotes a luggage brand and earns commission on every sale made through their unique link. Insider tip, use SEO techniques to optimize your affiliate links and increase visibility. Number two, sponsorships. Partner with brands that fit your vibe. Get paid for shout outs and keep it authentic. Tip, make sure to disclose sponsored content per YouTube's guidelines. Example, a beauty creator partners with a skincare brand and reviews their products. How to land sponsorships. Build a loyal audience. Engage with them and reach out to brands that align with your niche. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Pro tip, create a media kit showcasing your audience demographics and engagement metrics to attract potential sponsors. Number three, print on demand. Design mesh, example tees, mugs or phone cases. Sell on YouTube and other platforms like Teespring or Redbubble. No inventory needed. They handle production and shipping. Think niche specific designs that resonate with your audience. Design tips. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create eye-catching designs. Keep it simple and make sure it's relevant to your audience. Success story. A gaming YouTuber creates a popular meme design and rakes in thousands selling print on demand merch. Number four, digital products. Create ebooks, courses, or software related to your niche. Sell on your channel or platforms like Gumroad. Automate your income while you sleep. Example, a fitness YouTuber sells workout plans or meal prep guides. How to create digital products. Identify a problem your audience has and create a solution. Use tools like Teachable or Kajabi to host and sell your courses. Bonus tips. Offer bundles or discounts for loyal customers to boost your sales. Number five, outsourcing. Hire creators to make videos, manage and monetize the channel. Scale your business while focusing on growth. You can hire editors, scriptwriters, or even visual assistants. How to outsource. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find freelancers. Clearly communicate your vision and delegate tasks to free up your time. Growth hack. Systematize your processes and train your team to ensure seamless operations. Make money on YouTube without the video grind. Hit subscribe for more money making hacks. Drop your questions below. What's your favorite money making method? Want to see more examples? Okay? Take care. Bye.